Now this figure 20-8B deals with sizing the overcurrent protection device in the primary side and secondary side of a transformer rated on the primary side at 1,000 volts or more. Now note 1 just simply tells you we're using table 240.6a to select our overcurrent devices instead of actually applying what's in note 2, the ANSI C series 37.06 and C 37.46 based upon whether we're using a circuit breaker or fuse. So we wanted to point that out because some of you folks wonder about that. Now, in the illustration, we have a call out service equipment. Go to 230.200. The metal conduit that's routed above grade, above ground, is listed in 300.37, the types. Now the conductor sizing, we would go to new article 311 and we would use tables 311.60C73 through C76 to select our conductors. Now we're in a supervised location. Our transformer is a three-phase 500 kVA, 4.9% impedance. The primary voltage is 4160, 3-wire. The secondary is three-phase, 480 volt, 4-wire. We ground the transformer by 250.30A4 and A4. The overcurrent protection we select from 490.21, and remember we would actually size our conductors and everything now from Article 311, but the components and some of the enclosures like switch gear, switch boards, panel boards, and things like that, we go to 490.21A to select the components. The clearance rules is in table 110.34A. Now, this kind of outlines the information we need to size the overcurrent protection device, which we will do next.